Hey guys, welcome to Swazi Candles Centre, one of the must-visit places here in Swaziland. This centre is home to a collection of art, craft and artisanal product shops, but the most famous one, and after which this centre is named, is Swazi Candles. Swazi Candles was founded in 1982 by two South African arts graduates in an old dairy cowshed. Over the years, people started to find out about this small, charming place that was making unique, exquisite candles, and they've since grown in leaps and bounds as they are now exporting to over 20 countries around the world. It's very cozy in here. So the candles are very striking. Incredible use of color and intricate patterns, which is what makes them unique. The most famous ones, or the most popular ones, are the animal-shaped ones, which I'm sure we'll see later. But they also make these more traditional geometric-shaped candles. These candles are so pretty that you actually don't want to use them when you get one. But the interesting thing about them is that, inside is a soft wax, and then the outer part is a hard wax. So when you burn this candle inside, it makes a well. And then once the well is deep enough, you can actually reuse the candle by putting in a separate tea or votive candle. So you can then continue enjoying the artwork and the decorative element of the candle without having to, completely use up the whole candle. And of course, being Africa, a lot of animal print on the candles. Tourists love that. I think this is giraffe print. Very pretty. So it's all sorts of different sizes. Here's one that's also a more traditional shape. This one is the shape of our clay pot. We drink traditional beer in clay pots shapes like this. Very nice. Guys, there's so many options here. And all these are handmade, from start to finish, all by hand. They've got a workshop around here, which I'll show you in a bit. Christmas candle. Look at how intricate this is. And somebody made this by hand. There are some companies that try to make something similar, but it's not Swazi candles. They try to copy the patterns and the idea, but the original one is right here in Swaziland, and all of them are handmade. This shop looks quite small when you're standing outside, but it's pretty big. It's pretty big. Look at all these candles. Beautiful. There is so much choice, so no matter how your room is decorated, you will find something that suits your taste in here. So nice little fish. Finding Nemo. What kind of fish was Nemo, by the way? Oh, some pretty stands here. Let me move on to the next room. Guys, I'm sorry I'm sweating. It's really hot outside. It's 29 degrees Celsius. And I'm trying to cool down, but there's no air conditioning here, so I can't even cool down. These are the vegetable glycerine soaps. They branched out into making soap as well. So these are the soaps that they make. I love the names of some of these soaps. Herbal Vibes. Mango Madness over here. Swazi Rooibos. Rooibos is a tea. Oh, but the soap smells amazing. Hey, where's everyone? We want to see how you make these.
He's coming.
He's coming?
Yes.
Okay.
Leafy!
Thanks, Mama. Everything happens over here. And here are the animal-shaped ones. Elephant. No two candles are the same, so these make an absolutely unique, beautiful gift. And there's a sleepy cat over here. Meow. I want to see how you make these candles. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine, I'm Khanyi.
Nice to meet you.
You're not too shy for the camera, eh?
Okay, this is the wax we use.
Okay, that's the inner wax.
Yeah. Can you feel it? It's warm from the oven.
Ooh, it's warm.
Yeah, so it keeps it warm and soft. So
Oh, it's
when you
very
start making
nice.
a cream, you're molding that into a ball.
So is this a heater? This?
Yeah,
It's like an oven.
it's a kind of
Okay, yeah, it's warm. So how long have you been doing this?
over 10 years.
Over 10 years. And how long did it take you to learn how to make the shapes?
It took me only 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah. Just only to understand the material. I
Okay.
came as an artist here.
Okay, so that's the outer cover.
Yeah, this is the outer. Yeah, this is how we keep the color.
Okay.
So now I'm going to make an elephant.
Which is the most difficult shape to make?
The cats.
Cats. Do you have to know how to make all the shapes, or do you specialize?
You have to know almost all the shapes.
You have to know all the shapes.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the most popular shapes?
Elephants and rhinos.
Elephants and rhinos, the most popular. Less than 5 minutes, and you can already see it's an elephant.
Yeah, you have to be fast actually. Before the wax goes harder, you should be finished.
Okay, yes. It's looking good. Giving it
I'm
his
putting the
eyes.
eyes now.
Okay.
The eyes are wax as well.
Oh, I see.
And this is for the wick, for the lighting
Yeah,
strip.
for the wig.
And this is done.
Oh, wow.
Then from here, straight in the water to keep it hard. In the water.
And it's still warm.
Yeah, still.
Ooh. In the water. How long does it stay in the water?
Overnight.
Overnight. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. There you have it. That is how they make the candles, one by one. How much are these? 190 rands. That's a big one. And the smaller one? 135. The price is pretty good if you think about it. If you think of the work that goes into making these candles, they're really priced very well. And that is Swazi Candles. Let's see what else we have out here. How are you, Ma?
Okay.
Well, what are you selling
We
here?
sell t-shirts, dresses, those dishes there.
Okay. Pure leather. These are really nice. Books, t-shirts, music, souvenirs. Don't hide. This is a pretty shop. Tribal dolls up there. Oh, here's something I love to buy. Fridge magnets. These are metal. They're very unique. Sissy, thank you so much. Ne?
Okay.
Let's check out some handbags. Bags, embroidered cushions. And this looks like toiletry bags, yeah.
Yes.
Toiletry bags, okay. Love this blue color. This is so nice, Ma. Who's making these bags?
Secondary.
You make them yourself?
Stories
Okay. So these are the ladies that make all these bags. Empowering the women of Eswatini. Oh, very nice shop, Mama. Thank you so much.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Tell us what you're selling here.
Selling the big 5 animals.
Big five.
Yeah, like here is soapstone.
Soapstone, okay.
Yeah, I made the big 5. Then I also included the hippopotam to make the pieces.
Okay.
Also some batik paintings
Okay.
painted here in Swaziland. Here I have a small jewelry boxes. You can put your earrings or something smaller inside. And I have those balls, some plain jacaranda wood, some painted. It's almost different things that I sell. Some small helicopters.
Oh,
Yeah, for little boys to play with.
is that wood?
Yes, jacaranda wood.
This is very cute.
Yeah, and it's light for
It is
young
light,
boys,
eh?
so it's easy
Yeah.
for them to play with. This is my shop.
Thank you so much for taking me through.
Okay.
Very lovely. Is this yours, the drums?
This is a bowl from jacaranda wood,
Uh-huh.
and I've decided to paint it a giraffe. Otherwise, it's a bowl.
Very nice.
Yeah, they're all handmade.
All
Also the
handmade.
drums
Drum?
with the name of the country, and this is a cow skin, completely dry. Yeah, and you can use a stick to make your own music.
Very nice. How much is the drum?
They are on different prices because of the different sizes.
Okay.
Yes, like this one I'm carrying, it's 550, and the smaller one it's 400, and I have a small one, 200 rand.
Okay.
You can also use your thumb.
Nice.
All handmade.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you. That is it, folks. That is the Swazi Candles Centre. Great place to get unique gifts, beautiful handcrafted local gifts. Thank you so much for watching on this boiling hot afternoon. I will catch you on the next one.